Hello my friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now friends. In this video we are talking about Bittorrent token. What's the price change goes at this time in a Bittorrent coin, and what's the next move of Bittorrent token? In this video I will show you friends, so keep watch this video till the end. And if you are new on my channel, so kindly subscribe now ABS Tech channel and stay connected with the ABS friends. Now friends, if we talk about the current price of the Bittorrent token, so the current price is about 0.007245 USD dollar is the current price of Bittorrent token friends. If we talk about the change occur in the Bittorrent token, so the last 1 hour change is positive, except of these all changes are negative. Last 1 day, last 1 week change, both are negative friends. For more details, let's see the price prediction chart of the last 1 week friends. Oh my god, as you can see here, a very bad fast occur in the Bittorrent token during the last 1 week. As you can see here, at this time fast and at this time friends. Now again the funny period of the Bittorrent token starts now friends. If we talk about the average change occur in the Bittorrent token in the last 1 week, so negative 12.74% negative change occur in the Bittorrent token friends. The highest price of the Bittorrent token in the period of the last 1 week, so 0.008226 USD dollar is the highest price in the period of last 1 week. And now as you can see here, the current price is about 0.007178 USD dollar is the current price of Bittorrent token friends. So that's mean that in the last 1 week only and only falls occur in the Bittorrent token friends. So now a lot of people personally message me that we buy a Bittorrent token or not friends. So my suggestion for you, when the change become positive, it is the best decision for you to buy Bittorrent token friends. Hope you like this video. For more details, kindly subscribe now ABS Tech channel for more this kind of latest news and updates friends. Thank you so much for watching this video.